In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund a customer for overpayment in QuickBooks Online. If a customer has paid more than they owe, it's important to record the refund properly so your books stay accurate and the customer's balance is cleared the right way. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create the refund transaction first, and then how to connect that refund to the customer's existing credit or overpayment inside QuickBooks Online. To begin, go to your QuickBooks Online dashboard and click the plus Create button, sometimes shown as plus New depending on your view. From the list of transaction options, choose either Check or Expense. The option you use can depend on how you want to record the refund, but the key is that both can be used to issue money back to the customer. Once that form opens, go to the Payee drop-down menu and select the customer who overpaid. This step matters because it ties the refund directly to the correct customer record. After that, choose the bank account the refund is being paid from in the Payment Account drop-down. Make sure this is the correct account so your bank activity stays aligned with what actually happened. Now move to the first line in the category column and select Accounts Receivable. This is a very important detail because using accounts receivable allows QuickBooks to connect the refund back to the customer's balance instead of treating it like a general expense. Then, in the amount field, enter the exact amount of the overpayment being refunded. Double-check this number before saving so the customer's account is adjusted correctly. When everything looks right, select Save and Close. Next, you'll link that refund to the customer's credit. Click the plus Create or plus New button again, and this time select Receive Payment. On the payment screen, choose the same customer from the drop-down menu. QuickBooks will then display that customer's open transactions. Under the Outstanding Transactions section, look for the refund check or expense you just created and check the box next to it. If your QuickBooks account has Auto-Apply turned on, this may already be handled for you, so you can skip that part. Review the transaction carefully and confirm that the total equals 0 or matches the open balance shown on the screen. This confirms the refund and credit are properly connected. Once you've verified everything, click Save and Close. And that's how you refund a customer for an overpayment in QuickBooks Online, while keeping the customer balance and your accounting records clean and accurate.